Hey guys, it's Jewelyn and Catherine. Welcome back to another Come With Me. We're here in Buena Park, California, about 40 miles away from home. It's beautiful and sunny. We just got off of work and here's our second location of the day. So give this video a big thumbs up for exploring a new city and another plant nursery. So Kat wants to compare what's going on here. Oh, they have papayas here. Oh, that makes me happy.
Yummy Starbucks tea.
I know. We'll get some lunch and a hot drink. I mean cold drink after this. Ooh, okay. I'd like to know prices. Okay. 1 gallon is $6 Kit Kat. Okay. I don't know about these prices. Wow, what's going on in here? Stuff. Okay, $1 for 2 inches. Same. Oh, Cat.
Better.
$2.
Better deal.
$2. Okay. Look at this Stapelia. This is not that bad. Look at this. I've never seen a Stapelia this big before. He's worth it. Kit Kat.
Yeah, he might be worth it, yep.
There's one more here. Look at this guy. This one is cool. He's cool.
I wonder if he's any different.
So that to me is like my favorite picks.
Yeah.
Right here.
You think that guy's any different? Because of the
Maybe
size?
price-wise. Maybe
Yeah.
price-wise. Look, here's all your Tradescantia cat that you were looking for. Okay, look. And we thought we seen it all. Look at all this Stapelia.
See, I wonder if that's a different price.
Probably. Again, nothing's priced. But here, look at this. $6 for 6 inches. That's a good one too,
That's
Kat.
a nice guy, though, right there.
Yeah. But we don't know price.
Yeah.
If it's $6, it's a good deal.
I think it is 6.
Okay, moving along. Kat, we don't have our monies with us.
We don't. I know, I just thought about that. We'll have to run across. We'll have to go to the car.
Okay, ooh,
Should we-
let's
you
go
wanna
to
walk
the
in the
sensitive
front?
areas. Yeah.
Whoa. Good eye.
Good plant eye.
Eye.
Let's check out the sensitive areas.
Come on, Nappy. Come on, Nappy.
Okay. Alright, nothing too crazy. Kat, do you want to see what's beyond this point or no?
Sure.
Okay. I just want to share with you the water features here.
Yes.
Because this is like, look at how stunning. I would love to have this right here. I love it. For like swans, I don't know. This thing is probably like way over $1,000. I'm gonna get one very soon, guys. Don't you worry. It's gonna be a beautiful water feature in my patio.
Let's go look at them.
That is not going to be my bird bat with a solar water fountain because that's what I have going on and there's no full sun in my space all day, so it doesn't really work well. But there's a lot of succulents in this section, Kit Kat. Alright, so here's a bunch of water features. Ooh, I would love to have one of these. Just imagine.
Want to come look at all the big...
Yeah, we can walk through this section. But the problem is nothing's priced. Of course. It's the trend of the day here. We can go through this section, I guess. Whoa. But nothing beats the Tarzana and Reseda fire sticks that we've
true.
seen. Yeah.
No, they look like they have these ready to go for the front porch or, you know, like
For a
people that
to-go?
want a gift or something like that.
Oh, look at this.
Not
Too
looking
much
good.
sun.
Not
Too much water. Cat. Okay. Let's go quickly here. Okay, whoa, this is a situation here. Huh? Looks complicated. Okay. Alright. They have a lot of Xanadu's here, Kit Kat. Look at this. It's Xanadu heaven. Like baby Xanadu.
Yeah, they do.
I've never seen this much Xanadu before. Okay, I see some foxtail ferns. Wow, it is
Shall we go
scorching
in?
hot.
Or no?
Maybe on the way back, go in.
Okay.
Guys, there's so much to see here, but it looks crowded. They're really making the most of their property.
Have a lot of acreage.
Wow, this property is really big, Kat. Is that flapjacks?
They
Holy
look tall.
smokes.
They look very tall. Oh, and chocolate soldier. Look how big.
Wow. Wow. Take a look at this, guys. It's like in a mixed basket, Kat.
Yeah, isn't it interesting how they have all these kind of ready
I
to
know. Weird. But it looks like it's been in this for quite some time.
go?
If you look down here, guys, I'll take you through. Take a look. It's like mixed baskets. And then here's the Cressula Galoom also.
Oh, look how big it looks. That's great.
I know.
Really pretty big.
And look, Kat, look into the planters. You see that? Look. There's aloe in here, echeveria.
Yeah, they've been out here a long
I
time.
know. They've been here a long time. I wonder how much it is, Kat. Because all these are mixed baskets. Now, if it was $10.
Now, if we bought them, we'd take them apart.
Yep. Yeah, it must have been there at least, what, 10 years, Kat? Yeah, 10, maybe. And I don't know how, Kat, we always end up at the nurseries when they're going to close. Why? Why do we always end up doing that? This nursery is about to close. Oh, I'll take you guys through this section. At another greenhouse. Kat's going in. Lead the way, Kit Kat.
Ooh, it's hot.
Holy smokes. It's humid up in here. Wow. It is very warm in here. Okay. I don't know if it should be this hot for the plants, huh?
I was going to say, what
They need
happens in the middle
fan.
of the summer?
They need fans in here, Kat.
What can they do in the middle of the summer?
Wow, that was really hot. Oh no. Just walked through some mud. So this is the other side of where we just walked right here.
You want to go back through?
Yeah, and then walk back
Okay.
the other way.
There's a
Okay.
few succulents in the other end.
Wow. Humidity level is crazy in here. Oh no, look at the stapelias back here, Kit Kat.
You think things are for sale back here?
Of course, all of this is for sale. Here's your Trodescantia back here, look.
I need to grab it and just take it to the front. Tiny though, look. How
Yeah,
tiny.
I know they are
What do
tiny.
you think? How much?
I don't know.
It's really
Questionable.
Not enough, you
Maybe
know?
$2. Could be $2.
It's just not enough though, you know?
Oh no, look at this. Woo! Intense humidity. You are, Kit Kat? Kat, this greenhouse, let's just say this greenhouse is big though. You look so tiny. That was really cool to walk through. Oh, you could sit here, take a break. All right, nothing's priced, but very interesting to explore. Well, The question is, Kat, are you going to get anything here?
I think I could get some like Purple Heart.
Okay, you're stuck on that Tradescantia, aren't you?
Well, I need some more. I do need some more. I don't know
Did you guys hear the bird?
I don't know if need is the right. I don't know if that's the right word.
So now we know this whole pot is $15, and dang, that is a good price, Kat, because you could totally take all
Everything
of these
apart,
out.
and plus they're pretty pots.
And just in general, this here, this Kalancho, this Kalankoi is worth that much.
Yes.
Yeah. So, you know, there's
Maybe
options.
we should
Split one, get
go
one.
back and look, and see what's
my
there.
God,
if there's anything
Kat.
that we like in the pots. Yeah.
Now we know the price, $15. But take a look at all of the potentials though. Alright, so now we know all of these planters, they're all 15. Oh, Kat, you're going in that direction.
No, because this jade is so mangled up, we'll never get it apart.
I know, okay.
It's gnarly. It's gnarly jade.
This could be a deal. Look at this. Look at the bloom stalks, Kat. Oh, this one is calling me right here. This section calls me, Kat.
Let's talk about what stuff's inside though, right? We got the fire stick.
Kat, can you get that one for me right here?
See, this one has an agave.
Ooh, okay.
A few of these over here have like aloe type thing.
So you're going for one with an agave?
I don't know. What I do know is it's treacherous coming through this.
Well, look at that agave right there.
That's a pretty
That's
one.
a big one.
Yep. All of these. They're great. Which one did you like?
Well,
That's big. Oh
huh?
my gosh, that's really big.
look at Abby. She's hot. Well, I was thinking, well, I mean, that'd be cool if we could find one with an agave, but I was looking at like the bloom stalks of the Kalanchos. Do you think maybe that one there or here? I'm looking at the height of the bloom
There's
stalk.
so many though. Come on, let's check out.
Okay, all right, Kat. Let's go.
These over here.
Yeah, see guys, look, there's an agave right here. That's a good deal. So the one with the fire sticks, Kat, has the agave. Look at that. That is a deal. That'd be a good project, Kat, to pull apart for the channel.
Now these pots look smaller.
I know.
So I wonder if they're even less.
I know, good
Or if they're
question.
the same.
I guess we won't know until we ask. You wanna come through this section here?
So all of these on this side have
The fires?
flapjacks. These guys have flapjacks and the jade.
Okay,
These have like the fangs, but they do not look good.
okay. So you just gotta look. It's like finding a needle in the haystack. Kit Kat, I like the other guys over there.
You like the other one?
I don't know why. Okay. Kit Kat, you look so small.
I'm getting my dress dirty.
I know.
I'm stepping on my dress.
Kat, you're going for the fire stick / agave?
I don't know. There's a lot in these pots.
Feel like that's what you're going for.
There's a lot in
There's
there.
campfire jade up in the mix too. Take a look at this. Campfire jade. I don't know, not in the best condition though. But look at this, Kat. Look.
Yeah, that's doing really well.
Okay, Kat's wondering.
Hey, try not to get poked by fire sticks. Okay, so that has.
That's a nice agave, Kat. And look at how full the fire sticks are.
It's got a few things going on the bottom of this agave, though. I'd have to take a few leaves off.
That is a nice one.
You know what? It doesn't have
But
as
Kat,
much.
look at this one.
This one
Look at
here.
how full this one is. This one calls to me.
Okay, I'm gonna have a hard time getting it out, though. I think.
Oh no. Oh no.
Right?
That one calls to me. Look at how thick the fire sticks are.
Does it have as much of the other fun stuff, though? Oh my gosh, this is
Looks like there's something over there.
Yeah, it does, but it's going to be hard to take out. Okay, get ready for the back to go out.
Careful, cat.
Hey.
That's the one. It called me.
Is it blue?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh my God, cat, that is so huge.
Oh my. Okay, we have our plants.
Oh my gosh, that is huge. Cat, come on.
Hey.
That's the one.
All right. Yay.
Okay, what about me? What about me?
You pictures.
No.
What, you want to go back to the other one?
Yeah,
You like?
over here.
Okay.
I'm going for the fuzzy calanchos. Again, I have these, cat. I got them. But they're so
These are
big.
really big, though.
Yeah, so that's why. Okay, what do you think about
liked? Which one did you like?
that one over there?
We'll never get to that one.
We have to cross over.
We just will never get to it.
Okay, let's cross. Otherwise, this one here.
I don't know. This one's kind of nice.
Okay, cat, I want that one right there. Guys, that is going to wrap up another Come With Me out here in Buena Park, California. About 40 miles, I want to say inland south of me.
South.
Yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, enjoy seeing me and Kat in our sundresses. Give this video a big thumbs up. Never been to the city before, never been to this nursery. It is in the 80s today, guys, so it's finally officially plant season. If you guys enjoyed this video and you're new, welcome to the channel. Hit the bell and subscribe button to be notified on my daily uploads. Yes, I do daily content on this channel, inspiring each and every one of you, one video at a time. There's hundreds of videos to binge watch on. Thanks again for supporting the channel. You can find more on my blog at ilovejewelyn.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from Buena Park, California. Bye!